Many people do not know that peptic ulcers can be caused by a bacterial infection. The type of bacteria that causes gastric ulcers or sores can also lead to cancer. Helicobacter pylori is a bacterium that can cause gastric ulcers. This bacterium became famous when two scientists Robin Warren and Barry Marshall identified this bacterium as the cause of stomach ulcers. For their findings, these two great scientists were awarded the 2005 Nobel Prize. According to the World Health Organization, this bacterium is categorized as a Group 1 carcinogen, which means it has been proven to cause cancer. However, almost more than 30% of the world's population has been infected with this bacterium, where in some countries the infection rate is 50% of the total population. To deal with gastric ulcers, we can rely on various kinds of gastric ulcer drugs, but for those of you who prefer natural ways, you can rely on food for gastric ulcer sufferers such as papaya leaves. Papaya leaf is one part of the papaya tree that usually lives in the tropics, which is found in many countries. So far, people are more familiar with papaya fruit for consumption. But for those of you who don't know that papaya leaves can also be consumed, and of course it has benefits for those of you who consume it. For those of you who have gastric ulcer disease, you can try consuming papaya to reduce your stomach ulcer disease. Papaya leaves can ward off as well as overcome stomach ulcers. Although this leaf has a bitter taste, it contains good antioxidants to reduce the severity of gastric ulcers. Papaya leaf extract